Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show a slight modification I've made to my tripod kit with the HawkLock connected to the Insta 360 pole and connected to the Manfrotto tripod, which is solid steel. I've replaced that now with the OSMO MINI Tripod, and I've pre-drilled 3 holes in each of the feet and countersunk the holes too for the 3 titanium stakes. I drive the stakes into the ground with one of these caps instead of using my Vibram sole, and I also saved over 200 grams in weight. The last weight I think in the tripod video I made was 451 grams, and it now weighs 203 grams. It's very windy out there today, so let's go out the back garden and check it out. Solid.